it's our favorite day of the year at 2K Sports. At long last, it's time to roll the ball out there and get the new season of NBA basketball underway. Alongside Grant Hill and Steve Smith, Allie LaForce, our reporter, I'm Brian Anderson. Here's Bryant. Out to Hachimura. Pass to Abdia. Hey, great D that time from Grant.
He liked to have that one back. That's easy money.
All sorts of time. And the basket by Lee. Nothing more exciting than opening day in the NBA. Grant, how pumped are these players right now?
Oh, they are so pumped indeed. I mean, look, the offseason can be a long one, but every player loves when the games really start to count.
Now here's Dinwiddie. Clock at 4. Grant outside. Here's Cunningham. And that one is hammered home.
A jack-of-all trades, Jeremy Grant also has a strong feel for when his guys are uncovered.
They double-team Beal. Pass to Bryant. To the middle. And it was still over the rim. Offensive basket interference. Here's Cunningham. Inside. Here's Grant. Ooh, and he took a hard foul on the shot. So he'll head to the line to shoot a pair. It's going to be on Thomas Bryant.
I mean, beautiful stroke on the jumper, something Grant didn't bring into the league, but he's got it now.
And so Grant nails them both.
It's been great to see Jeremy Grant come into his own. He was once a terrific bench player, but now he's often leading the charge on the offensive end.
Here's Abdia. Rebound by Olynyk. Here's Cunningham. Bay left side. Pass to Lee. And Beal comes to help. Back to Bay. Here's Cunningham. 5 on the clock. Knocks down the triple. Cunningham's got 5. But would you say there's still room for Jeremy Grant to improve his game?
It is, Brian. You love to see him pick up a little bit more assists, be more of a dominant rebounder, but no player, especially Jeremy Grant, is ever done working on themselves.
Finally, a make for this team. Hopefully it gives them a little confidence.
For whatever reason, they came in a little tight tonight. That should loosen them up.
Here's Cunningham. 5 points in the game. Grant outside. Down low. Here's Olynyk. And he floats it in for the easy 2. Credit the sweet setup on that one.
You see the game plan is working already. 4 straight makes to start this one.
Slick feed by Beal, taking advantage of the hole in the defense to set up a wide open man.
Outside Olynyk. Pass to Lee. Back to Olynyk. And it's Olynyk with a jam.
Oh, not the defensive effort they need to cut into the lead.
Boy, good call. You have to at least try to protect the rim.
Also, if you can't get stops at this point, it really doesn't matter what you do at the offensive end. Off the mark once again. Terrible quarter for him thus far.
Out to the right wing. And it's Cunningham missing. Washington trailing. Pass to Bryant. Jacks up at 3. They double him with Olynyk. And it's Kelly Olynyk with the foul. That's foul number 2 for him.
He was too aggressive. That's already his 2nd foul. We haven't even gotten out of the 1st quarter.
Here's Beal. Buried from 15 feet out.
The mid-range jumper is a handy tool for Beal. A lot of his shots come from that area. He's got a ton of confidence in it.
Now here's Hayes. Pass to Grant. And the layup falls.
And they've settled in quickly today. A nice flowing rhythm to their offense.
They double team Beal. Kuzma for three. And here's Dinwiddie from the arc. Gets the three ball to go.
And that's what they want to do. Get him open looks early.
Hayes, shot's good.
The defender trying to knock Hayes off his rhythm, but he is a well-built kid who easily absorbs contact.
On the wing, Kuzma. And the basket's good. Off the assist from Dinwiddie. The Pistons leading. Now here's Hayes. Pass to Jackson. Now here's Grant. He's covered by Bertans. Tipped. They retain possession. Offense is coming free and easy as we wrap up the first. Pistons ahead. They lead by 6.
All right. Look who's coming on.
If you're just joining us, we played through one quarter in this one. All right, guys, what do you think about the offensive approach we've seen so far for the Pistons?
They've gotten a lot of high-quality shots in the paint early on. That was clearly part of their game plan coming in.
Also, their passing has been terrific in the first half. They'll be happy with all those assists.
Pass to Lyles. Stewart with it. He hits it just before the shot clock expires. Stewart's got his second basket of the night. And let's swing it over to the sideline and hear from Allie.
Thanks, Brian. Jeremy Grant, the 39th pick back in 2014, has become a leader for the Pistons. He said, I'm enjoying it. I want to be a lot better, and I want to keep growing. I don't want to be stagnant. I just want to embrace the role and help the team get better from here.
Well, he's got all the tools to be a complete player, Allie, no question. Beal draws the double. And out of bounds, Detroit will have it.
Wizard substitution.
And we played through the first minute here in the second. Here's Hayes. Oh, a clear foul there on the missed shot. So he'll get a pair at the line. You had the chance to play under some terrific coaches, Smitty. How influential is good coaching on a team's success?
They really go hand in hand, B.A. The coach sets the tone for the whole team, and strong leadership leads to strong play out on the floor and likely a lot of wins. Money from the stripe. He does a great job night in and night out.
Here's Gafford, and it's going to be a 3-second call. Both teams deciding to change it up.
Basketball. Wizard substitution.
Here's Joseph. Pass to Lyles. Here's Magruder. Gets the three to fall.
Woo, he got a clean look, and he makes the defense pay for disrespecting him.
Here's Avdia. Back to Beal. They need this. Into the lane. And he sinks the layup.
Nimble moves on the drive by Beal, able to just slip past the defense into a shot. What I admire about Bradley Beal is his steady growth, not just in his overall game, but how he's embraced becoming a leader. He's someone his teammates really look up to.
We're now about 2 minutes into the second quarter. It's Avdia on the wing. That three's off the mark. It's an even 3-on-3 break. Pass to Lyles. And he converts the layup. And the Pistons lead by 13. Boy, Beal's rise continues to impress. Every season, Grant, he improves as a scorer especially.
And the older he gets, the more wisdom he attains. Both on and off the court, his guys expect him to lead the charge. It's something that he takes great pride in.